The next topic is isomerism in coordination compound. A isomer is defined as a substance which having same chemical formula but having different structures. These are not to be compared with substance having different crystalline modification such as sulfur, which exist with two different allotropic form, monoclinic sulfur and rhombic sulfur. The isolation of these isomer is possible only if the complex is inert. An inert complex is that in which ligand displacement is very slow. On the other hand, in a labile complex, the labile complexes are those complexes in which ligand undergo rapid displacement by other ligand. So such kind of complexes do not show any isomerization. The coordination compound have two type of isomerism. The first one is the structural isomerism and second one is the stereo isomers. Structure isomer are further divided into different categories. These are ionization isomer, hydrated isomer, coordination isomer, linkage isomers, coordination position isomer and polymerization isomers. Similarly, stereoisomer also having two types, geometrical isomers and optical isomers. So let us first consider stereoisomerism, in which first of all we can consider geometrical isomerism. This isomerism is exhibited by complexes in which either same two ligand occupy position adjacent to each other, and these are called cis isomer. Or if the two ligand occupy position opposite to each other, then these are called trans isomers. This type of isomerism is therefore not possible with the compound having coordination number 2, 3 and tetrahedral complexes with coordination number 4, because in these arrangement all the positions are adjacent to each other. This isomerism is found in 4 coordinated square planar complexes and 6 coordinated octahedral complexes. So let us consider first the cis trans isomerism in square planar complexes. So in which we can consider this type of category. It will having these 4 ligands and each 2 ligands are similars. For example, this platinum complexes, it will having 2 ligands of amines and 2 ligands of chlorides. This complex can exist in 2 forms. If the same 2 ligand on the same site, then this isomer is called cis dichlorodiamine platinum 2. And if 2 ligand, 2 same ligand, they are on the opposite side, then it is called trans dichlorodiamine platinum 2. There are many square planar complexes or different metal ions such as platinum 2, palladium 2, nickel 2, copper 2 and arginate 3. But the geometrical isomer has been isolated only for the platinum 2 complexes. This is because platinum 2 complexes are very stable or inert and they react very slowly and their isomer can be easily isolated. So it is the first category of this type ligand having the complex. The second category of square planar complexes is that in which two ligands are similar and two ligands are different. For example, this platinum complex having two amines ligand and two are chloride and nitrite. So in first case, the same ligand, it is lying on the same position, occupy position adjacent to each other. So it is called cis diamine chloro nitrito platinum 2. Similarly, in this case, the two ligand, the same ligand which can occupy position opposite to each other, and it is called trans diamine chloro nitrito platinum 2. Then third category. In third category, all the four ligand which is different and this complex exhibit three different isomer, and structure of these three different isomer is obtained by fixing an ligand in which ammonia is fixed, while the three ligand which can be interchanged in trans position to each other. So these are the three isomer for this complex which will having four different ligand. Three of isomer for this ligand has been actually isolated. Next is the case of geometrical isomer in square planar complexes which have unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. So it is the example of the platinum 2 glycinate complex. The first one is the cis isomer. It will having asymmetrical glycinate ligand in which the nitrogen and oxygen is coordinated with the platinum from the same side. Similarly, in second case, the glycinate is coordinated with the platinum from the opposite side, mean in the unsymmetrical way. So this is the trans isomers. Then next is the geometrical isomer in case of bridged binuclear planar complexes, and it is the type of this complex, and the example of this complex is platinum having these two ligand, where this ligand represent triethylene phosphine. So this one is the cis isomer. In this case, the same ligand, they are lying on the same side, and it is a cis isomer. In case of trans isomer, the same ligand, it is lying on the opposite side, so it is the trans isomers. So it is all about the geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. Then second category is the cis trans isomerism in octahedral complexes. It will having coordination number 6. For monodentate ligand such as A and B, no isomer are possible for this complex, which will having 5 similar ligand and 1 different ligand. This type of isomerism is possessed by Flovin type of complex. It can exhibit cis and trans isomerism. So let us consider its example. So it is the first category, in which 4 ligand are same and 2 ligand are different. So it is the complex of cobalt having 4 amine ligand and 2 nitrito ligand. So it is the case of the tetraamine dinitrito cobalt 3. So it can exist in 2 form. In cis form, the nitrito ligand, it is lying in the same position or adjacent to each other, while in case of trans isomer, these 2 ligands are lying in opposite position to each other. So it is the example of the first category. Then second category is the complexes, which will having 3 complexes of this category and 3 complexes of different category. So let us consider its example. The cobalt complex having 3 amine ligand and 3 chloride ligand, and it is triamine trichloro cobalt 3. So in this case, these 3 ligands, they are lying in the same direction or they are adjacent to each other, while in case of trans isomer, at least 2 ligands, they are lying to opposite to each other. So first one is the example of cis isomer, and second is the example of the trans isomer in this category. Then complex of type in which all the 6 ligands are different. It can also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Theoretically, in this case, 15 isomers are possible. But in actual practice, for this complex, having all the 6 ligands are different, only 3 isomer has been isolated. So it is the third category. Then next category, in which unsymmetrical bidentate ligands in octahedral complex also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Similarly, like the square planar complexes. So it is the example of chromium triglycinato complex. In first case, all the ligands are lying in same position, but in second case, only the 2 ligands, they are lying in same position, and the third ligand, that is lying in the opposite position. So first one is the case of cis isomer and second is the case of trans isomers. So In these complexes, the ligand used is unsymmetrical. So it is the first category, isomerism in geometrical complexes. Then second category is the optical isomers. A molecule is optically active if it can not be superimposed on its mirror image. The main requirement for optical activity is that the molecule and ion should not have a plane of symmetry. These structures have the property of rotating the plane of polarized light into opposite direction, either to its left or to its right. If the isomer rotate plane of polarized light to the right, then it is designated as dextro or D isomer. Or if it can rotate plane of polarized light to its left, then the isomer is called levorotatory and used symbol L. So the tetrahedral complexes with this formula, in which central metal ion is attached with 4 different ligands, exhibit optical activity. The tetrahedral complexes of beryllium, boron, copper 2 and zinc 2 containing unsymmetrical ligand has been resolved into optical isomer. One of such example of this compound is bis benzoyl acetonate beryllium 2. So it is the tetrahedral complex with coordination number 4. This complex contains unsymmetrical bidentate ligand and has been resolved into optically active compound. So this one is the first isomer, in which beryllium, that is coordinated through 2 oxygens of each 2 ligand, and this ligand is unsymmetrical. So this is the first isomer and this one is the second isomer. It is the mirror image of first isomer. Then compound with coordination number 6. In case of octahedral complexes, the optical activity will be feasible only if we have 6 different ligands around the metal atom. Although this is theoretically possible, yet in practically it is not has been achieved. Optically active 6 coordinated compound has been isolated only with the chelating type ligand. Some of common examples are compound containing 3 symmetrical bidentate ligand or 2 bidentate ligand with 2 unidentate ligand. So first of all, consider the compound containing 3 symmetrical bidentate ligand. In this case, the cobalt, that is bonded with 3 ethylene diamine ligand. So this one is the first optical isomer and this one is the second optical isomer, which is the mirror image of the first isomer. Then similarly, it is the chromium complex having 3 symmetrical bidentate ligand. It is the oxalate and this one is the first isomer. and this one is the second isomers. The second isomer is the mirror image of the first isomers. Then the second case, in which two are the bidentate ligand with two unidentate ligand, and the example of this is the cobalt, in which two are the bidentate ligand ethylene diamine and two are the chloro ligand. In this compound, the complex and ion show both the geometrical and optical isomerism. In this case, the trans isomer will be optically inactive, whereas the cis isomers shall be optically active. So this one is the cis isomer and this one is the second cis isomer, which is the optically active and mirror image of the first isomers. Then the next category, compound having this formula, in which one ligand is symmetrical bidentate ligand and it will also show the optical activity. The example of this category is cobalt, having one this symmetrical ethylene diamine ligand and two amine ligand and two chloride ligand. So this one is the first isomer and this one is the second isomer and it is the mirror image of the first isomer. Then the compound containing hexadentate ligand, it is also has been resolved into optical isomer. The most common hexadentate ligand is ethylene diamine tetraestic acid and in short it is write as EDTA. So it can also exist in two isomeric form. This one is the D form and this one is the L form of this cobalt complex with EDTA. So it is all about the optical isomerism in complexes with 4 coordination and 6 coordinations.